Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Ford F-150. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at those Michelins. A lot of tread there. We're just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches. Driver's side looks nice and clean. As we come around to the back, you'll see the trailer toe. One little spot right there in the tailgate. And then as we come up the passenger side, you'll notice these nice chrome step assists that have been added. Exterior looks great. Looking inside the truck, you do get multiple adjustments, some power for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray cloth seating. 108,611 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio, all your climate control functionalities right here, easy to get to. Multiple power ports, auxiliary inputs there. A little bit of additional storage underneath that center seat. This is the 6-passenger arrangement, so that center seat does fold down to make an armrest there. All the flooring is going to be black. Pardon the mess I tracked in. Looking in the back seat now. No signs of any rips or tears back here. All the flooring is going to be black. And the great thing you get back here is a lot of leg room and storage space in the back of the F-150. Taking a shot inside the bed of the truck now. Coming in from the passenger side, just going to take one more look around. And we'll go ahead and flip that 40 side of the 60-40 split there for you. Finishing up in the front passenger seat. Take one more look around. We'll go ahead and flip that armrest down. Show you that additional storage you get there. We're going to take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2013 Ford F-150.